Hi kids, how are you all? Yes, I hope you all have learned all 5 letters, right? Yes. Today we are going to do letter U and this is our 6th day, okay? And let's see how many of you have learned all the 5 letters. Anar. A say Imali. E say eek. Ullu. U say oon. And today we are going to learn letter U. Now I will show you how to write U in your 4-rule notebook. See here, 4 lines are there. The first one, a right curve from the first line to the second line, and again a right curve from the second line to the third line, and a small tail and a sleeping line on the first line. Now what is this? This is letter U. U say oon. Oon yaane wool. Okay, see here. This is the picture of oon. U say oon. Okay, now we will recap again. Anar. A say Imali. E say eek. Ullu. U say oon. Okay, you all got it right? Now this is an exercise for you. What comes after? What is the exercise? What comes after? Now what is this letter? A. A say anar. Now what comes after A? You're right. A. Now let's write letter A. Now the next one is letter E. Imali. The next one is after E. E say eek. Okay. E. Write like this and a ponytail, right? Yes. Now what letter is this? U. E. And the next one is U. Ullu. After U, right. U say oon. Now you all got it right? You all understood? Okay. Practice it in your 4-rule notebook, okay?